Hey there, welcome back to New Health One. If you're tired of that persistent dry cough, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing some natural remedies that can help you get rid of that annoying dry cough in just 3 minutes. But before we dive into the remedies, let's understand what exactly a dry cough is. Understanding dry cough. A dry cough is different from a wet or productive cough. While a wet cough brings up mucus or phlegm, a dry cough is non-productive, meaning it doesn't bring up any mucus. It can be caused by various factors like allergies, irritants, or viral infections. Understanding the type of cough you have is crucial for effective treatment. Now, let's jump into the remedies. Remedy 1. Honey and warm water mix. For a quick and soothing relief, try mixing a tablespoon of honey in a glass of warm water. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help soothe the irritation in your throat. Sip on this mixture slowly, allowing it to coat your throat. It's a simple remedy but surprisingly effective. Remedy 2. Steam inhalation with eucalyptus oil. Steam inhalation can work wonders for a dry cough. Boil a pot of water and add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Inhale the steam by covering your head with a towel over the pot. The eucalyptus oil helps to open up your airways and relieve that tickling sensation causing the cough. It's like a spa day for your respiratory system. Remedy 3. Ginger tea. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Make yourself a cup of ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. Ginger can help soothe your throat and reduce inflammation, providing relief from that persistent dry cough. Plus, it's a delightful and natural remedy. Marshmallow root tea. Here's a unique remedy you might not have tried before: marshmallow root tea. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a substance that forms a protective layer on the throat, providing relief from irritation. Brew a cup of marshmallow root tea by steeping a tablespoon of dried marshmallow root in hot water. Sip on this warm tea throughout the day for that extra layer of comfort for your irritated throat. Saltwater gargle. An oldie but a goodie, saltwater gargle. This remedy is simple yet effective. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and use it as a gargle. Gargling with salt water helps to reduce inflammation and can provide instant relief for a scratchy and irritated throat. Make sure to swish the salt water around in your mouth and throat for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. Repeat this a few times a day, and you'll be amazed at the relief it brings. There you have it, natural remedies to kick that dry cough to the curb. Remember, consistency is key, so try incorporating these remedies into your daily routine. If your cough persists or worsens, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our health tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a cough-free day. Take care and stay healthy.